Okay, I couldn't, literally, look, I couldn't even get 2 seconds into it. This is why I can't watch content. Is this what people watch, like, legitimately? All right, I think I'm gonna hate this. Stocks that are gonna make me rich by 2022. Tattooed chef, cauliflower mac and cheese bowl for $10. Their revenue is 201 million. They lose 36 million just out of operating income. That's not even everything else. Gross profit is $28. So their margin is 10%. Their gross margin is 10%. That's nasty. Yeah, it's gourmet microwave food. That's what he's going to get rich off of. Okay, next. Next. I'm done with this. I can't. I'm losing brain cells. Okay, that's 3 million views.
UAL
I'm doing something wrong.
Nike.
You should curate everybody you interact with. It affects you so much. 4.7 million. Okay.
Buy to get rich. Actually, I'm going to give you 500 stocks you have to buy now. That seems like it'll take a while. Nope, just write it down. VOO.
Except for that, the lawyer is violating the law by telling people to buy a specific stock. I mean, I guess, but the lawyer, okay, the lawyer doesn't know the law and is telling you to buy something. You're never really going to get, I don't think you're going to get sued because you said VOO, but no. Why? First off, who under 25 arrives in a suit? If you are really your own, and then, you know, more screens equal more money. Absolutely. And then I'm sure they use TD Ameritrade because that's the thing. Ugh. Oh, it's him again. 500,000 views. Let's watch. Is this what people watch, like, legitimately? If you're really that successful, do you want or need to make a social media telling the world how successful you are? I don't know. For me, it's that I just want to teach people because I'm tired of this garbage that's out there. And I wanted to interact with a non-crazy set of people. Like I tried finding room after room after room to hang out with people. And I couldn't interact because it was also fugazi for me. That's the other thing. That's also the other joke, right? Is for hedge funds looking at social media is essentially if you put your content out there, you know that the alpha, if you put any alpha out there, you know that there's a probability that it stops working because people use it, right? We've experienced this on this channel as well, where last year we were trading on the comment count of Reddit and it broke. I don't know if it's as a result that we were talking about it, but I know alpha breaks. So I got good at producing alpha over and over and over again.
About the battery. Novanix is working with Tesla to develop the first million-mile battery.
First off, Tesla only has 6 suppliers and the million-mile battery was 2 years ago. It's even though there was a meme like last year of people saying that they're actually at 3 to 5 million for a consumer car. So how fucking stupid is this?
Novanix has a solution. They made synthetic graphite that can hold 100 times more charge. It has virtually zero waste, and it's cheaper. They're either going to be a huge customer to Tesla, or Tesla is just going to buy them out completely. Watch my last video to see what company SpaceX is about to buy. This is the best small...
Penny stock pumping. Love it, love it, love it. The other thing is, I don't know that I can do this. A high graphite battery is, or a graphite battery is just a solid state battery, first off. And second, we've been hearing about solid state batteries for fucking 15 years. Oh my God, we have this technology. Oh my God, it's crazy. I don't believe this shit, okay? Let's look. I don't know. QS was, QuantumScape was the last one that was supposed to be like the next big thing. Yeah, well, look at that. 132, grr, down, okay? Bullshit. What is this ticker? All you have to do is go on Google and fucking go through here and hit solid state battery, okay? Before 20, let's say before 20, I don't know, 15. And go to news and you'll see. Secret of company claims battery breakthrough. ORNL, solid state battery tests 90% of original capacity after 10,000 cycles. Will this battery change everything? Watch out, guys. Watch out for claims.
Small cap you can buy right now.
Okay, I couldn't, literally, look, I couldn't even get 2 seconds into it. This is why I can't watch content. You know, you guys, I don't watch content on the internet because I can't get through it. I couldn't get through 2 seconds without fucking flipping out. His name is literally Stop Buying Meme Stocks. Like, what the fuck is this? I'm sorry, I'm having a moment. Can't handle it.
This trading secret is almost cheating. Go to Finviz, select Insider, filter to buy, shows all the stock CEOs bought and amount they did. This president bought 25 million of stock. Huge jump.
I mean, insider trading buys or have some edge, but not a lot. Not a ton. It doesn't work. Tried on some test stocks and lost 18% in a week. Oh, just kidding. Have to use this with TA, market sentiment, and fundamentals. Weird. The comments are so great. It's not a secret. I'm a stock trading millionaire. Look at my fat pad. It's probably his daddy's house. Oh, God. Shoot me now. Is it just me or does this look like the house from little TJ's headshot video? Yeah, okay, so look at this. Rent houses for Instagram. Handpick styled homes for your next creative production. Okay, like there's houses and stuff that you can rent like for an hour just to do your shoot. $80 for the hour, okay? So here's what happens, right? Old Western, downtown's neon, pink loft, see? Fairy tale style storybook house, $150 per hour. They do this on Instagram all the time. I'll tell you what though, if you do start to make this much money, you don't work this little. I'm telling you. You just don't. That's why I don't believe it. I've met a lot of rich people and they work all the fucking time.
Teenager, hating school and wanting more from life. So I bought a couple monitors and decided I'd learn how to trade. And let's just say it went well. I bought a sports car. I started traveling the world. Not too soon after, I bought my dream car, I moved into a mansion in Beverly Hills, and life was good. But after 8 months, I decided that this lifestyle just wasn't for me, so I moved out of LA, and for the first time in nearly 5 years, I feel at peace with who I am and where I am in life, knowing that I can tell my younger self I've achieved all the goals I set out to achieve. You're probably wondering how I ended up here.
Oh, God. If you make that much money, your shoe would actually fit you. Yeah, y'all are funnier than I am. Funnier than I am. Holy fuck. Fuck me. Why do I watch this shit? Nobody who's in the stock market trading says I make $1,000 a month consistently. That's bullshit. You know, statistically speaking, when a payoff structure is more steady, it means it's more likely to have fraud. You know who had the most steady hedge fund record of all existence? Go ahead, guess it. Guess it. Go ahead, tell me. Madoff. Congratulations. Drawdowns are part of trading.